Hey, here's a progress report. May the 6th. I'm getting soaking wet here. It's been drizzling and raining on and off, which is helpful to get rid of all the snow and kind of clean things up, but also not the best to work in. But anyway, here's Ruben doing the exterior extension of the coop. So we're working at making it completely pest-free, so putting down our mesh on the bottom so nothing can dig and get in at our chickens. So this is mainly if we're going, say we go around out of town for the weekend or whatever, that they still have a place to go outside, but they're completely well, protected from small animals. Bears, well, if they want to get in, they're going to get in. So here we go. We've got our coop is really coming along. I'm about to add the finishing touch, which will be adding the litter, the deep litter. So here's a look at that. We've got our little chicken nursery or chicken jail if there's a nasty chicken. We've got our nesting boxes, and we've added the roosts. So there's a corner roost, as well as these two. This one is just more of a shelf if we need for whatnot, odds and ends. Our tiny little door here, so we can access it from this side without having to open this main door. I'm still going to work on a latch so that we can lock it from the inside in case we want to work in here without the chickens escaping. Yeah, so on this side of the shed is where we're going to store our feed and all that, hopefully in pest-proof containers. So yeah, I've tried my best to fill every little gap and hole with hardware mesh. You can see up there. We've used styrofoam insulation. So hopefully that'll give us some extra light. We've added some vents as well, so hopefully great ventilation without a lot of drafts in here. So let's take a look at the floor. So again, we've used an existing structure here. So what was already here was these 2x4s just directly onto the ground. So I've put some fine sawdust in there just to kind of fill the gaps. And on top of that will be our pine shavings. All right, so the great benefit to having a carpenter, and more than one actually, we are supplied with some nice pine shavings. And so what we're gonna do, again, all of this is just trial and error, but I thought that the thing that would work best for our family, for upkeep, as well as the fact that we want compost, we want fertilizer for our gardens, we're gonna try the deep litter method. So we've got 2x4s on edge and 4x4 posts. So we're hoping for about 4 inches of the pine shavings or shavings in here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. I have 2 great big construction garbage bags full. We'll see how far that gets us. This bigger stuff, nesting material. Throw that in there. Oh, I'm so excited to get eggs. Oh, yeah. This is birchwood I got from my dad from a project he's working on, finishing touch carpentry. Some beautiful birch stair treads. Okay, next up, could be the most important thing. Some inspiration for the girls.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Did you see the pictures in the nesting box? So you girls will come and get the eggs out of there.
And out of here?
No, so there. Yeah. And then there's kind of where the chickies will go. But we have to fix it because we didn't account for this. See this? Oh, okay, good. That was good that happened now.
What happened?
I'm gonna tape it
This side?
or screw it on there.
Because of my
Yeah. But you know, if a chicken.
And what are these things?
That was just there before, but maybe we'll hang some nice calming herbs up there. Lavender, thyme, to make them
Where
happy.
is my bunny gonna sleep in there?
So I was thinking I'll show you where, for your bunny.
So this time
So they can technically share this space with the chickens, okay?
So this-
Once
so
we get the
I-
fence in.
so
But yeah,
that
Sawyer will show you. Right in here.
so that means I will definitely get a bunny.
Definitely sometime. You gotta get the wood out of here, so that's a job you guys could do. And then your hutch will go right here,
Where?
right here. So maybe we can access it from the outside.